Hi, this is Jahangir from DigitalXpart. Today I will discuss with some important things like what every healthcare website must include step-by-step guide for patient-friendly websites. Your website is the digital front door of your clinic. In today's world, patients will judge your practice by your site before they ever walk in. This video I'll share step by step uh, what every healthcare website must include to win practice. Then clear first impression on the hero section. Clinic name plus tagline, professional image, real staff, clinic photos, strong headline, book your appointment today. The first thing patients see is your hero section. It should instantly show who you are, what you do, and give them confidence that you are the right choice. So, if you take a look our website at Digital Expert, you'll see that the clear first impression on our hero section. We have our website name like Digital Expert, and we have a tagline like you focus on care, we focus on growth, like that kind of professional image. We use it to our website. A strong headline, book your appointment today. So also you use it this kind of call to action button. So if you just visit our website digitalexpert.com, you will notice this kind of all important things we have already implemented. Okay, so let's next slide. Easy navigation, simple menu, home, about, service, contact, book now. No clutter, easy to find page, mobile friendly navigation bar. Patients don't want to dig around your website. Navigation should be crystal clear and simple. A confusing menu can cost you bookings. So, easy navigation is really very important in this 2025. So, if you take a look your top competitors, you will definitely notice that their website design is very nice and clean, professional. I'm saying about who are already doing very well on your industry, and a simple menu on the like uh, header section. Then should have about, service, contact, book now button. No clutter, easy to find page. So that not should be harder to get more page. So that should be easy and clearly like that should be very clear to go another page. That should be easy to find from the menu. Mobile friendly navigation bar. So in this 2025, the mobile friendly design is very important. Without mobile friendly website, the visitor will leave from the website, and it's not recommend from the Google and other search engines. They uh, won't rank that kind of website whose design is not good and mobile optimizes not perfectly. So this is very important thing. Okay, so uh, service fees. A clear list of treatment services, short descriptions, plus benefits, option to learn more or book directly. Patients want to know exactly what you offer. Your service page should clearly explain what problems you solve and make it easy to take the next step. So the service page is very important for every website. Like which businesses provide services. Showed a clear list of treatment services. You should proper list your services or treatments what you are offering. That should be under services page, also on the homepage service section. Then a short description plus benefits. You should add some short description and benefits from your services or treatments, and option to learn more or book directly. Definitely should add a learn more button on the section, and should book directly button, then link up calendly or your like preferred calendar which you are using to take bookings from your patients. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Doctor and team profiles. Real photos and doctor staff, credentials, certifications, experience, human touch, trust. Healthcare is all about trust, showing real doctors, their qualifications, and a short intro makes patients feel connected and reassured. So, doctors and team profiles. So, that's very important thing. I suggest you to add your doctors and teams on the homepage. A section should be like our teams or our doctors. That should add your full team, people's image, title, designation, then real photos of doctor staff, credentials, certifications, experience, human touch, trust. So it's a very important thing to gain more trust. And okay, so let's go to the next slide. Reviews and testimonials. So I always say the reviews and testimonial is a really very very important thing. Uh, so patient stories and star rating, video testimonials if possible, display trust based certifications. Most patients check reviews before booking. By placing real testimonials on your website. You build trust instantly. So it's a very important thing, patient stories and star ratings. So you should like write some post on your social media and website about your patient stories, and should take star ratings from them to add on the website, and like Trustpilot or Google Maps if you are a local business owner. Then video testimonials if possible. So if you request to your patients to give you a like video testimonial how they are getting benefits from you, and how your treatment help it to them. So the video testimonial is really very very powerful thing to gain more trust to your next clients. Display staff based certifications. Uh, yeah, this is also a very important thing. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Online booking system. Booking appointment button on every page. Easy forms with minimal fields. Option for phone and online booking. Patients expect convenience if they can't book online quickly. They will go to a competitor who offers it. Okay, so online booking system, booking appointment button on every page. So if you visit our website digitalexpert.com, you will notice on the our website bottom right side has a button to schedule a free call with us, or like that kind of button. We use it to book meeting with us, and on the left side we edit our WhatsApp icon to easily contact with us. Easy prompts with minimal fields. There should be the form with minimal fields to easy to fill up the form. Option for phone and online booking. Okay, so this is a very important thing. Which visitors are visiting your website from the mobile? If they are not able to get mobile like online booking from the mobile, so that will you will lose a lot of customers, because 70 to 80% people are visit website from the mobile. So this is a very important thing, and patients expect convenience. If they can't book online quickly, they will go to a competitor who stars it. Yeah, that's it. Then let's next slide. Contract and location info. Quick to call, phone number, Google Maps integration, business hours clearly listed. Make it super easy for patients to reach you. A clear contract page with a map and working hours removes confusion. So click to call phone number. So I suggest you to add your website sticky button where we'll have like call us or call now, like just kind of text. Then when they will click on that button, directly will get your phone number to call you. Google Maps integration. So I definitely really I definitely suggest you to add Google Maps on your website. Then your like running patients or customer can give you review when they will have a good experience. And okay, so business hourly clearly listed. So on the Google business profile, you will get option to add your business hours and which is your holiday, and if you are providing services 24 hours or just weekly 5 day, and like 8 hours or 5 hours. So everything should add on the hours section. Okay, so let's go to next slide. Blog or resources section. Health tips and FAQs, answer to patient questions, improves SEO and builds authority. A blog isn't just for marketing, it's a way to educate patients, answer common questions, and rank higher on Google. Okay, so health and tips FAQs. So FAQ is very important for the blog and other all important pages. And answers to patient questions, definitely the accurate on the FAQ, improve SEO and build authority. Yeah, uh, yeah, blog and resources section and page is very important for a website to rank properly on the Google. That would really help to SEO and website authority. Okay, so security and compliance. SSL certificate, HTTPS, HIPAA complement for US, privacy policy and forms, patients care about safety, make sure your website is secure, encrypted and compliant with healthcare regulations. Okay, so SSL certification is very very important, because when patient or visitor will visit your website, then if they see your website or SSL is not secure, they will high chance to uh, left from your website. So it is a very important thing, and HIPAA complement for US. So should be definitely maintain HIPAA complementation, privacy policy and forms. Definitely show that privacy policy and contact form. Uh, okay, so let's go to the next slide. Security and compliance. Clear first impression, hero section, as I already said about if you visit our digital expert, you will see our hero section, clear and impressive. Then simple navigation, definitely should be navigation simple from desktop and mobile version from both place. Services page. So definitely you should have individual services page for each services should add details, content, and image to understand easily your patient and customers or clients. So doctor profiles, yeah, definitely this is very important to get doctor's profile on the homepage and a separate page for the doctor profiles, reviews and testimonials. This is very important to gain trust uh, to patients. Online booking system. So this is very necessary, very important thing to booking system on the website. It's very uh, necessary to get easily booking from the websites. Then if any visitor will visit your booking page, they can easily book you, or you can send the booking page link if any visitor are interested to book meeting with you. Contact and location info definitely should be at contact and location info on the website. Blog and resources is very important for the SEO and very important to rank on the Google. Security and compliance definitely should be at proper security on the website uh, to don't any risky or get any face any problem from the black level like uh, hackers. So this is a very important thing. Okay, so then patients care about safety. Make sure your website is secure, encrypted, and compliant with healthcare regulations. Very important. You already explained. Okay, then want to grow your clinic online, build trust, make booking easy, stay visible online. Your website is not just a brochure; it's your patient conversation matching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more helpful resources on how to grow your healthcare business online. Okay, so next time I will come with new important things for the healthcare industry. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.